Oh hey, you finally made it!
Where's everyone else?
They didn't show up, but you did! And get ready to see the best motion picture film of your life!
So why is it on VHS?
I couldn't afford Blu-ray.
Foolish dragon, you think you can stand in our way of gold? Prepare for cake, our mighty wizard! Perhaps you didn't notice your gold has already been stolen by our thief, Nickel.
Soon I'll become the new Coiny.
And now you will face our wrath.
Guys, I think this dragon needs help. As the group healer, I think I can tend to him. Clearly something's wrong and we
Boring. Time to die, dragon.
No!
Wow, that was a lot worse than I thought.
Yeah, that was so great!
Really?
No! As an aspiring movie critic, that was about the level of an SML video.
Wow, hurtful. Well, how about we just watch Pixels? I love this movie.
Ew! There's no way that you unironically like that sad excuse of a movie. Was this guy always here?
And then I throw Bommy at the dragon.
Okay, let's see. Ooh, that's a 4. Bommy's explosion killed you all. And that's the end of our 38-week-long campaign.
Ah, grrr, roar! Just because you're our fighter doesn't give you permission to overrule everyone else. Let Bommy play, bedhead.
You may now be quiet.
Another game wasted. Golf ball!
Do. Look at us! Huh?
Welcome back, fam. Say, you guys see that commotion over there? Oi, what's happening, folks?
Free food inside the hotel.
Oh, are you talking about the meals made by our new hotel chefs?
It just smells so good.
Once their show ended, they decided to use their out-of-this-world talents to cook up meals for the hotel inhabitants. Though maybe just this once I can get a bite.
Lunch! No, this food is for the hotel guests only.
Maybe I have another solution.
When you bake a cake, decorate and take it to the players who are safe. That's how you know it's cake on steak.
Welcome to Cake and Steak, folks! Are You OK was closer to winning, so the strongest team on Earth is up for elimination first.
Just hurry up. I really want to steal some food from 4 and X.
That's my solution! If you're safe, I'll give you a slice of cake. This time, the cake is a folder of an attack plan to sneak past 4 and X. Grassy and Snowball, you are both safe with 8,237 and 3,465 votes respectively. Robot Flower and Belle, you got 2,951 and 2,559 votes respectively. Ow! Basketball, Eggy, looks like a ball is finally being eliminated.
I'm not a ball.
Oh, then I guess a ball isn't being eliminated, because basketball is safe with 2,531 votes.
Ow.
Eggy's out with 2,404 votes. One last sentence, Eggy.
I will finally give the answer to if I came first or the chicken. So basically...
Oh, you used your one sentence up. Bye, Eggy. Are You OK? It's your turn. Penny and GBE, you're safe with 6,866 and 5,462 votes.
Yeah.
TV, Puffball and Eraser, you three are safe with 5,233, 5,140 and 4,796 votes respectively.
That's creative.
I ran out of ideas. Bottom 2 time, Fries and Tennis Ball, who will leave.
No, Fries. You're my only friend on this team. Tennis Ball, you must survive. I require a supportive and loyal team member.
Only one alliance stays safe today, and for both Cake and Steaks, the ball remains safe. Tennis Ball, with 4,788 votes, you are safe. Fries is out with 4,750 votes.
No! Puffball, activate the elimination prevention plan!
Nope, sorry.
Roar! Boo! Whoa, 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 whoa! Scary!
He's scaring me! Give me some food and I'll give you some barf.
I'll distract 4 and X briefly. Try and grab a snack for the two of us. Beep, beep. That's my watch and not my mouth. 4 and X, it's playtime. You get 5 minutes.
This is so fun! Grr, wait.
Nearly there.
That's it. No food allowed to any of you. Let that be a lesson to you. And you. And two.
And that's everyone back! Honestly, I've wanted to eat that food for months, but that's clearly not happening. So today's challenge is to make me dinner! At sunset, each team has to present me with one dinner dish. You can make it, steal it, whatever. Just get it to me and I'll give them a ranking of 1 to 10. The 2 worst dishes are up for elimination. Go!
That dragon game set has me feeling adventurous. We should slay a dragon in real life.
But there's no dragons around here. Wait, maybe there is! Look up ahead! A dragon! We could go and slay that dragon and cook it for two's dinner tonight!
Perfect! Then let's go!
Our heroes set off on a Dragon's Guild quest. They've got until dinner with no time to rest. Brave heroes and Nickel off to the beast, and once they return, then they'll have quite the feast. Team trek to the forest, no weapon in sight. They must climb that tall mountain or face quite the plight. They'll climb that tall mountain right now, like I said, and they'll do it without one more silly question. So just not climbed the mountain up the endless staircase, and they crossed fiery lava till the mountain was vanquished. Just not noticed 2 sides of the mountain they could slide, one looking serene, one left them petrified. Decided the scarier path was the best way to go. It'll train them up and make them strong for the dragon-y foe. They went down the scary one. Went down the scary one, and then they went down the scary one. Our heroes disheveled from their crazy slide quest ventured deep through the forest to the dragon's nest. But on the way they see a spike and they think it's quite funny, so they decide to jump on the spikes and despawn themselves.
No, that's like the worst line I've ever said in any object show. That's actually so bad, but you know I'm gonna keep it in now that I've started yelling about it. Oh my god, dude.
Guys, we can do this. We've been training for this.
Die, dragon!
Tell everyone I died in a really cool way!
Was I wrong?
Yeah.
Wait! Guys, I've played enough of our games as the healer to know this dragon's mad because it's in pain. It's clearly choking on something.
Don't care. Bye, Mommy.
No!
Ouch! Cool.
Bobby, do what you have to do. I trust you.
This'll just hurt for a second, okay?
It must have swallowed this when it flew into the forest earlier. That's why he was so mad at us.
Goodbye, friend!
We should have killed him. Now we have no food to give to 2 for dinner.
We have Cake's remains here. He got kind of burnt, so he should be tasty.
Plus, we have a chocolate ball to go on top.
Well, gotta work with what we've got. Let's go.
Almost dinner time, folks!
We're here.
Nice! Tree? You doing okay?
Yeah, my head feels really funny. That's it.
Puffball, I apologize for my behavior. You would have made things so much easier today. Thank you.
Were you guys rustling about in my head all day?
We brought in Cake with a chocolate ball for decoration.
What? Did you kill him?
Oh, yeah?
What? How delightful! A 2 meal! How delicious! 10 out of 10! Ugh, some are dirty! 7 out of 10. Small, a little dusty, and looks a little worse for wear. But oh so delicious! 8 out of 10! Great job, folks!
Well, about that, we actually,
have these delicious bowls of cereal for you to enjoy.
Wow. It really looks like vomit. And tastes like vomit. But I'm a sucker for themed food. What did you use to make it?
No tricks. It's just actual vomit.
You made me eat vomit, guys. I don't know. A 1? Come on, I loved the whole thing, though the bag might have actually been my favorite part. 9 out of 10. Wait, this is our friend Cake. I can't eat him, guys. Might be a low score. Oh, I'm sure he tastes delicious. 3 out of 10 for being a sweet guy. Wait, the fish is alive? Ow!
Much later.
Finally, that took much longer than I expected. No!
Much later.
Finally out, again. But anyway, I don't appreciate being eaten by a fish, so that's a 2 out of 10 for your dish. Meaning viewers, the S and Death Pact again are both up for elimination, but you only get 1 vote total. So vote for one of them to stay in the game. Make your 1 vote count.
You reckon now that it's nighttime we could rob Foreign X's kitchen?
Making my way downtown, walking fast.